My name's Mel, welcome to my world, and if you're new to my channel, at the moment I'm turning this full transit into a stealthy off-grid camper van, and today the postman's been and he's delivered what I hope is a Chinese diesel heater, and with a bit of luck all the parts are in the box. Now last time I bought one of these there was a multitude of parts missing, so let's open the package, see what's in the box. First, I need my knife. Bear with me. Blimey. Certainly well packaged. Now like I was saying, the last time I ordered one of these there was loads of bits missing, and this company was recommended to me by somebody else, and I'll be honest with you, it did come in record breaking time. It didn't take that long to come at all. But let's have a look, see what's in the box. I'm hoping this is the heater anyway. And by the size of the box it is. Yeah, it's the heater. Right, so let's stand this up right here so you can see. So there's no jiggery pokery, you can see exactly what's coming out of the box. Well, it's looking better than last time. There's the heater itself. There's the controller, which was missing in the last one I ordered. There's the pump. Oh, look at that. It's even got a little remote, look. I definitely didn't get one of them last time. And this is the pump. Now, if you've got one of these heaters and you're about to fit it, I'll just mention this quickly. This pump, now this bracket here, this plug, is very brittle, so do be careful when attaching your wires because these do snap off. Just a little tip there, just want to put that out there because yeah, they do snap if you force them on. I'll show you the connector in a minute if it's in the box. So that's that. And there's the control panel, and this part was missing last time, so I'm quite pleased that's in there. So far so good. That's the backing plate, that's the plate that it all sits on, so that's good. I've just got a bit of a dry throat. So all the auxiliary bits should be in this box. Now I didn't actually order this, my customer did, Leon. He ordered this from a company that I recommended. So if there's parts missing, I'll have mud on my face for sure. Alright, let's have a look what's in here. And again, I'll show you the box. So the fuel pipe, check. Exhaust pipe, check. Now this was missing in my last one. Air intake pipe, this is the pipe for the air intake that goes into the combustion chamber. And this piece of pipe, that's where the hot air comes out, so that's good, nothing inside there. A little vent, adjustable vent, that bit's adjustable so that you can aim the direction of the hot air. Wiring loom. Right, now while I've got the wiring loom in my hand, I'll just show you the plug. Now this plug, this goes onto the fuel pump, so when you connect these you push down like this and you see how it opens up. So it opens, so push this down then plug it on. Don't just force it onto the fuel pump because you run a risk of that bit snapping off. the neck of this, they split there and they break off. So yeah, when you're connecting this, make sure you push that down and it clips on like that, and then when you remove it, same again, just pull it off and unclip it like that. But be very gentle with these, right, because they do break, right, so be gentle. Just wanted to show you that, and I speak from experience. So yeah, wiring loom, check. Oh, that's the collar for the vent. Little bit of rubber tube. Now this rubber tube is for connecting the fuel line. Quick word about this fuel line. There is a reason this fuel line's this hard nylon. If you try and replace this with just normal flexible pipe like this, the heater won't work efficiently because it's high pressure line. That pump generates pressure, so between the pump and the heater unit itself, that fuel needs to be under pressure. Now from the pump to the fuel tank, yeah, you can use what you like, but it's very important to use the original pipe between the fuel pump and the actual heater, because it needs to be under pressure. That pump needs to generate pressure, and if you use flexible pipe like this, it just expands and you do lose pressure. It's a bit like brake line, if you like, but not as much pressure. But it does need that diesel fuel that goes into the pump, into the heater, sorry, needs to be under pressure, and if you use all flexible line, it won't work. Well, it might work, it might be alright, it might work, but I recommend just use the original fuel line, and that's between the pump and the actual heater itself. So yeah, I've had that in the past. Some people have suggested using different fuel line to cut down the noise, but it won't work because it just won't. You won't have the pressure. Okay, so in this bag we've got, yep, that's the air filter for the air intake that goes into the combustion chamber. Various Jubilee clips, they're all there. I'm pretty pleased to say it actually looks like it's there. This is the rubber coupling for the fuel pump. Fuel filter as well. Now these fuel filters are a bit naff. They're not very good, so I'll replace these with a better one. You get like an aftermarket fuel filter from Halfords. It looks similar to this, but it's slightly larger and it's much better. I suppose they're probably up to the job, but yeah, it's just a personal thing. I prefer to put a proper filter on. Yeah, it looks like it's all there, except the muffler. Yeah, there's no silencer. There you go. Oh, hang on, there's another box. We could be lucky. For a moment there, I thought the silencer was missing. This could be it. Oh, I need the knife again. I hope it's it. Oh, here we go, I don't need knife. Yeah, there you go. That's the silencer for the exhaust. A few brackets as well. So that's there, check. And the NAF fuel tank. Anyone want a fuel tank? Because we're not using this one. Oh look, I've got a spare lid. Well, that's unusual. Actually got extra. That's a first. So there you go, the whole thing is there, it's all complete. And there's the instructions. That's it. I don't need them. I've fitted enough of these heaters now. I don't think I need the instructions anymore. Well, what a relief, it was all in the box. I'm so relieved. So there you are. I'm going to end this video now. I'm going to tidy up this mess, put everything away, and start planning on how I'm going to fit this heater. So if you want to see me fit this heater in this van, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell. That way you won't miss a thing. Ta-da for now, and thanks for watching.